Mathematics, Telangana State English Medium portion, English Medium textbook. The first chapter is rational numbers. Children, pay attention. Maths is fun to learn. Maths is very easy. Maths is nothing out of the box. It's just whatever it is there, it will be there. Nothing new will come. Like for example, 2 plus 3 is 5 and it will always be 5. It won't change. Just pay attention a little bit. Okay. There won't be any new number. Say like 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Always these three numbers. There won't be any new number. Like 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. There is nothing different and it would be always same. It won't change. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 2 plus 3 is 5 from 50 years or 100 years or something more than forever. It was 2 plus 3 is 5 and forever it will be 5. It won't change. So just pay a little bit attention and it would be fun. The first chapter to begin is called rational numbers. Introduction to rational numbers. Salma wants to buy 3 pens at 5 rupees each. So she is buying 3 pens. The price of each pen is 5 rupees. Rupees 5 and she is trying to buy 3 pens. The cost is 5 rupees. Simple, when you see numbers, multiply them or add them and you will keep the results ready. 3 5s are 15. So her friend Satish wants to buy 2 similar pens, so they went to a wholesale shop. So he wants to buy 2 pens. 2 into 5 is 10. So these are the numbers we are with. So they went to a wholesale shop. Shopkeeper said that a packet of 5 pens cost 22 rupees. Instead of say 25 rupees, the wholesale shopkeeper says it will be available at 20. It will be available at 22. 5 pens are available at 22. So each pen will be costing what? 22 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. Then we are left with 20. Then 5 fours are 20 again. So each pen is costing 4 rupees 40 paise. Shopkeeper said that the packet of 5 pens costs 22 rupees. How much does each pen cost? We found out that each pen is costing 4 rupees 40 paise. We can easily calculate the cost of each pen. 22 rupees divided by 5. Is there any natural number to represent this cost? Is there any whole number or integer to represent this? Consider one more example. This is a decimal number. This, when we represented, when we wrote 22 divided by 5, it's a rational number, and what we get result is a decimal number. Number after decimals, change or something. So observe the following various readings of temperature recorded on a particular day in Shimla. Timing: at 10 a.m. the temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. At 12 noon the temperature was 14 degrees Celsius. At 3 p.m. it was 17 degrees Celsius. It was the highest at 3 p.m. Then at 7 p.m. in the evening it dipped to 10 degrees Celsius. At 10 p.m. it dipped further, went lower than that, lower than the least. It was the least at given these 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. 5 degrees Celsius. In each case, what is the change in temperature per hour? From 10 a.m. to 12 noon there were 2 hours. The degrees changed were 3 degrees. 3 degrees by 2 hours. Case 1, morning hours, change in the temperature per hour, 10 a.m. to 12 noon, 14 degrees Celsius minus 11 degrees Celsius by 2 hours divided by 2 hours. It was 3 by 2 degree Celsius per hour. 3 by 2 degrees per Celsius per hour, the temperature decreased. Then in the second case, afternoon hours, change in the temperature per hour, 12 noon to 3 p.m. there were 3 hours. 3 hours gone and the temperature rose by 3 degrees. So 17 degrees Celsius minus 14 degrees Celsius by 3, that is 3 by 3 is equal to 1 degree Celsius per hour. Third case, evening hours, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. there were 4 hours in between. and the temperature decreased from 17 to 10. 7 degrees it came down. So it is evening hours, change in temperature per hour, 10 degrees Celsius minus 17 degrees Celsius by 4, that is minus 7 by 4 degree Celsius per hour. Case 4, night hours, change in temperature per hour, 5 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius by 3 hours. So we have minus 5 by 3 degrees Celsius per hour. In the above cases, we come across numbers like 3 by 2 degrees Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, minus 7 by 4 degrees Celsius, minus 4 by 3 degree Celsius. The numbers used in these temperatures are 3 by 2, 1, minus 7 by 3, minus 5 by 3. What do you call these numbers? These numbers you can call them as fractions. These numbers you can also call them as rational numbers. Here we find the need of different types of numbers to represent these quantities. Let us discuss such types of numbers. 3 by 4, 7 by 9, minus 10 by 17, 3 by minus 2, 2013 by 2014, and so on. The numbers which are expressed, this is the definition of rational numbers. The numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Integers means it can be negative numbers or positive numbers. And Q, where Q must not be equal to 0. Q must be either less than 0 or more than 0, but it should not be 0, are called rational numbers. I repeat, the numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. And rational numbers are represented by Q. Like we have discussed before, if you remember, natural numbers are denoted or represented by N, whole numbers are denoted by W, integers are denoted by I or Z. Similarly, now we have rational numbers, they are denoted or represented by Q. Rational numbers are also called as quotient numbers. Quotient numbers, when we have two numbers dividing, one number dividing the other number, 3 divided by 2. This is dividend, this is divisor, and we get a remainder. We have dividend, divisor, we have a remainder, and the result is called quotient. So the rational numbers are also called as quotient numbers. Observe the following. We can express any natural number, example 5, as 5 by 1 or 10 by 2 or 15 by 3, and so on. Similarly, we can express any whole number, example 0 as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 5, and so on. We can express any integer as minus 3, as example as minus 3 by 1 or minus 6 divided by 2, that is 15 by 3, 0 by 5, and minus 6 by 2 are rational numbers. From the above observation, we can conclude that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are rational numbers. It is noteworthy, it is important here. Please make a note. From the above observation, we can conclude, we can make out, we can understand that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are rational numbers. So there is some exercise, and do this on page number 2. Consider the following collection of numbers. 1, 1 by 2. We have here 1. From observation also, you can understand 1 is a natural number, also it is a whole number, it is also an integer. It is in the list of natural numbers, it is in the list of whole numbers, it is in the list of integers. Now 1 by 2, then minus 2, minus 2 is an integer. Then we have 0.5, 0.5 is a decimal. Then we have 4 1 by 2. Then we have minus 33 by 7, 0 4 by 7, 0.3 bar, 22. Then we have minus 5, 2 by 19, 0.125. Write these numbers under appropriate category. A number can be written in more than one group. First one is the list natural numbers. We have 1, we have 1 and 22. 1 and 22 are two natural numbers. We have 10 in the list of whole numbers. We have 0, 1 and 22. Then in the third place we have integers. For integers we have minus 33 by 7. No, we have minus 5. Simply we can understand. Then we have minus 2. Then we have 0, 1 and 22. These are simple integers, rational numbers. As it said, a number can be written in more than one group. These numbers we have in more than one group. In three groups we have. Then we have rational numbers. 1 by 2, 4 1 by 2, 4 by 7, 2 by 19. Would you leave out any of the given numbers from rational numbers? Maybe some of the numbers can be left out of the list of rational numbers. Is every natural number, whole number and integer is a rational number? Yes, every natural number, every whole number and every integer is a rational number. In the statement above this box we have read, from the above observation we can conclude that all natural numbers, all whole numbers and all integers are rational numbers. This completes the work on the box. Do this from page number 2.